Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Deanna Nicole coming to you with another hair video. So it's been a minute since y'all last seen me. I had did the black boho braids for y'all, but this time you guys, I am coming to you all with some ash blonde boho braids, y'all. I am going to make my own color combination. I've seen these colors that I wanted to use for the ash blonde look, so I'm going to use the colors silver gray, the number 4, the 613, and I'm going to use the number 27. So I'm going to mix that color combo up. I don't have it on me right now, but you definitely will see that color combo in the video. And once again, I will be using the boho hair from my company that I used last time for the boho braids, which is Waviyhair. Yes, y'all. When I tell you that my other braids lasted for a long time, I think I had them braids in for about 2 months, y'all. No lie. And I probably could have went even longer because I got even more compliments when it got older. So when I tell you that the hair is 100% human hair, I didn't put any mousse on it. Make sure I took care of it just like it told me in the instructions inside the bag. I think I put water and leave-in conditioner in my spray bottle, and I would spray it like weekly, and the curls would like, it lost a little bit of definition, but it was still a pretty texture. It still was curly / wavy, and I absolutely love my hair. It was beautiful. But today I'm going to show you their 613 hair that they wanted me to review, and we're going to hop right into it. So I have the bag. I am going to take out the hair. As you can see, they gave me 2 bundles, but we're going to describe what they have in the pack first. They have the pouch. It comes in. They have some neat stuff in the pouch, just like how I got my other product. And they have like the clips inside the bag to hold your hair or section your hair off. They have little mini rubber bands as well. They're like the clear rubber bands. They like clear, they different colors, which is super cute. I thought this was cute, but I didn't use it with my other hair. But if you would like to use these, you definitely could. Also, it comes with a crochet needle just in case you would want to crochet in your human hair blonde pieces. I'm not going to crochet because I always braid and add my hair inside of my braid so it can stay longer. And then they have the cards as well. So they just have their info: be bold, catch the wave, catch the new wave, be bold, be wavy, and just some tips to take care of the hair. Just like in the other packet that they gave me for the natural color hair, human hair that they gave. So we're gonna hop right into the hair texture for the 613. I'm super excited to try it out. After a while, it does kind of shed. You know, all hair sheds because it's not on a live head, but it wasn't that bad of shedding. Like I said, that hair lasted me 2 months. I think I put that hair in July, like toward the end of July, and it was in there until I took it out maybe like the beginning of October of this month. So yeah, so I'm going to unpackage the human 613 hair that they gave me that I am going to install into my head, and it's going to be tomorrow, y'all. It's not going to be today because it's late. So this is the net that it comes in. I'm going to take it out. As you can see, look at this. Straight out the package. Like, look at the texture, look at the deep wave. I'm super excited to try it on, y'all. I don't know if it can focus. I'm allowed to focus a little bit. Real texture, real bouncy texture. real thick, as you can see in the widths. They gave me 2 bundles just like these. As you can see the ends. Super excited to try this out, and I pray it comes out fire, y'all. Usually blonde looks pretty decent on me, and we're gonna pray for the best like I always do, and I feel like I'm gonna get the results that I want to get. So y'all just stay tuned to the rest of this video. I'm not gonna really break it down into sections because I did that in my last video, but I'm just gonna kind of show you the process of me braiding my hair. I know it's gonna be an all-day thing, and I'm just preparing for it. I wanted to let y'all know with the hair that I'm going to mix together. That's the connect line hair I purchased. I actually ACV rinsed it first, so I made sure it's set in apple cider vinegar before I even install into my head. And the reason I did that is because I know usually I don't break out when it comes to synthetic hair, but I don't know, I feel like last time my face, even though I feel like my face broke out. I don't know if it's due to the hair or what, the weather, I'm not sure, but I just did that just in case, because I know sometimes when you're just shipping the synthetic hair from other countries, it can carry chemicals and all type of debris in it. You never know what's inside the hair or what they're doing with the hair. So I made sure that I let it sit in apple cider vinegar for like at least 45 minutes to an hour, y'all. I made sure I did that. I rinsed it out. I put some leave-in conditioner on it so it can smell good instead of smelling like vinegar. But I hope that helps as far as my skin, because my skin can be pretty sensitive. And that's just like a tip, just in case you are allergic to synthetic hair, make sure you ACV rinse it first. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and we're gonna hop into me doing my hair. So these are the colors that I use: the silver, the 613, the 27, and the number 4. I had it hang dry my hangers overnight because I had ACV rinsed it the day prior. And then I mixed the colors. These are the colors blended in together. They were so beautiful. And yeah, so I am going to show you how I start off on the edge part of my braid. And with our edges, we have to be very, very mindful that you don't want to break your edges off. So as you can see, I am taking the pieces of hair that I already pre-sectioned and put on my braid rack, and I'm just making it into smaller pieces. And I want to make sure that I am consistent the whole way throughout my head. So I break off about 4 pieces, and then later on you're going to see me add another piece, but I'm not going to break that off because it'll be thick enough for me to add it. But I am just pretty much making it thin to the point where it's not hanging off my edge. So you know how you have those braids and it's thick all the way around, and then people be bald by the end because the edges are too heavy. I'm going to show you how to make them light. So I start off with the smallest piece, and I am just going to continue to add piece by piece. I'm probably going to add about, I think I broke off like 4, so that's 2, 4, 6, about 8 pieces into my hair, but they're very fine and they're very small due to it being on the edge. And I'm just going to gradually put it in between my pointer and my thumb, and I'm just going to continue to braid it down. Once I've braided it down, I am going to then add in the 20-inch 613 boho hair, and I'm going to continue to put that between my pointer and my thumb. I'm going to take that lock-in gel, and I am going to jam it down just so that I could conceal the human hair with inside the braid. And this is just real timing, y'all. I'm probably going to speed up the video just a little bit so you can see the gist of how I am doing it. And then at the end, I'm just going to feed like 2 pieces because I think I did like 3 pieces per braid. But once I get to the front, I use less hair because I don't want it too much, but it still ended up being just enough, the 2 pieces
in the front, and then I add that one piece at the bottom. So I have a total of 3 strands inside my braid. So I want you to continue to watch the video. You're going to see the end on how the braids are going to look, and yeah, y'all just wait to the end. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment and share, and I'll talk to you soon.
I surrender my will. The will is yours. It's result. Yeah. I let you drive. Let you drive. In back of the whip, like I'm in a Uber, like I'm in a lift. Call you when you maneuver. I know you a mover. You be moving mountains. I ain't wanna doubt you. I'll tell the world about you. Everywhere you made it never felt. I thought it was me all by myself. Take the wheel, Lord, I need your help. 'Cause I let you drive. I just ride. 'Cause I let you drive. Let you drive. I just ride. 'Cause
Hey trendsetters, so now I am finished with the final product. So the company, not Wave, but Waviy, so Waviyhair, definitely did their thing with this one. They wanted me to try out their 613 20-inch deep wave hair. They gave me 2 bundles. I put at least a bundle, almost 2 bundles, but not quite the whole 2 bundles, like a bundle and maybe a half a bundle or a third of a bundle into the rest of my hair. This is not much hair that I have left over, as you can tell. And I can just use this for my touch-up, so I'm kind of glad that I had extra hair left over, so that if my hair decides to get old in the front, I can touch it up real quick, real cute, so that I will be able to, so it will be able to look fresh, it's neat, it look like a brand new hairstyle, and I didn't have to take my entire braids out just so that it could look neat. Also with this hair, I recommend, definitely recommend that you purchase this hair. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description below. My last hair that they sent me, which was the natural black 18-inch deep wave, was amazing. I can honestly say I wore that hair for almost 3 months, y'all, and I was still debating whether or not to take it out, because when I went to the beauty supply store or when I went to the grocery store, and even at my job, they was telling me, girl, your hair still look good, it looks good. I was getting compliments left and right, and I had that hair in for at least 2 to 3 months. I had started in July, ended up taking it out maybe the beginning of this month, and I just want to let you know that this company definitely has hair that has longevity. It has hair that's quality, and it is worth you investing into if you want that look to look how you want it to look, if you know what I'm saying. So yes, this is the completed look. It took me about, I'm not gonna lie, I stretched it out in like 3 days, the whole process, because I have a job during the week, but on the weekends I still have to get other things done on top of me trying to do my hair. So if you need time to do your hair for this hairstyle, I advise you to at least have 2 to 3 days where you can do it yourself, this hairstyle, or you can have someone do this hairstyle for you. I am a hairstylist. I do hair on the weekends here in Houston, Texas, since I just moved out here. So if you would like your hair done, definitely hit me up. I already had the hair provided for you, so you can click on my links below to book me if you would like. But if you do not stay in Houston, definitely make this investment. I promise you that you will enjoy every bit of this hair. I'm not gonna say it doesn't shed, because all hair sheds, even your real hair sheds. But if you keep up with it, have the proper maintenance, do exactly what the tips tell you to do. Make sure you tie it up at night. Make sure that this is deep wave hair, human hair, so make sure that you spray it with your leave-in conditioner. Make sure that you're nourishing it like you would your real hair. And I just hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely wanted to give you a more depth detail about braiding your edges, because you know, as us girlies, we want our edges. We don't want our hair to fall out. So yeah, trendsetters, hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I just want to shout out Waviyhair once again for doing their thing. I'm going to show you a little close-up on my hair, just so that you can see. And yeah, trendsetters, I will talk to you soon.
Let you in, let you dry, let you in, let you dry. I just ride, 'cause